So this was 2020 Miami conference. No, 2021 Miami conference. And we were together with Rockstar Dev, Ben Carman, Gigi on the beach, Jack Mullers, after he made the announcement of El Salvador. And we are talking, and we were talking about circumcision.
Circumcision?
Yes, circumcision.
As one would do when on a beach in Miami. Okay.
Yes, yes. No, 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 no. There's a longer story because we had a wedding that night, a fake BTC pay server wedding.
Okay.
We are talking about if, for example, someone from Europe marrying like a Muslim or a Jewish person should get circumcised. It was some drunk talk. But Gigi's like, no, circumcision is bad, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm like, Gigi, you know how I got my first Bitcoin? He's like, how? Well, I got circumcised. And when I got circumcised at a young age, all my family friends gave gold. And when I grew
Oh,
up, I sold that gold and bought Bitcoin. And
oh,
that
I
night,
see.
like 4 in the morning, Gigi tweeted, sell the tip, buy the dip.